Okay, so you are asked to use the following equation to answer the questions below. So we're looking at y equals negative x squared plus 4x minus 5. So your first question is, what is the y-intercept? Well, your y-intercept is always your c value. So our c value here is negative 5. So our y-intercept is 0, negative 5. Next question is, does this parabola have a maximum or minimum? Based on your a value, so your a is negative 1, b is 4, c is negative 5. Based on the a value, since it's negative 1, that means that you have a parabola that is dumping water. So this point right here, that is actually a maximum. Next, you need to find the coordinate of the vertex. So remember, to find the x coordinate, it's negative b over 2a. So it would be negative 4 over 2 times negative 1. Well, that's negative 4 over negative 2, which is a positive 2. You plug that back into your equation to get your y value. So you'll have negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 5. You square the 2 first. So 2 squared is 4. Tack on that negative, so you have negative 4 plus 8 minus 5. So negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4, minus 5 is negative 1. So your vertex is 2, negative 1. Now you want the vertex form. Remember, your vertex form is a times x minus h squared plus k. So you use the same a from your original equation, so it's a negative 1, so we'll just put a negative. X minus 2, because that's your x value, remember it's h and k, squared, minus 1. Next, you're asked to find the discriminant. Remember that your discriminant is what's underneath the square root in the quadratic formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. So our a, let me just rewrite it. So a was negative 1, b was 4, and c is negative 5. So we would have 4 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 5. If you simplify all that, you get negative 4. Based on the discriminant, does the parabola have one solution, two solutions, or no solutions? So since your discriminant is negative, that's what's underneath the square root. We will be taking the square root of a negative 4. Since we cannot take the square root of a negative number, that gives us an imaginary number. This is no solutions. And that's what you need to know.